Do you ever feel trapped by the limitations of the poverty mindset? Are you ready to break free and finally achieve your biggest goals? I'm here to show you 10 powerful ways to break free from the poverty mindset and unlock your full potential. It's time to step into your greatness and create the life you truly desire. Number 1. Change your mindset. Believe in your ability to succeed and visualize your goals as already accomplished. Remember, success starts in the mind. Number 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you, and consume content that feeds your dreams, not your doubts. Number 3. Set clear, actionable goals. Break down your big dreams into smaller, achievable steps and create a roadmap for success. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Embrace challenges. See obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, the path to success is rarely smooth, but it's always worth it. Number 5. Take consistent action. Success is the result of daily habits and actions. Commit to showing up for yourself and your goals every single day. Number 6. Invest in yourself. Whether it's through education, self-care, or personal development, prioritize your growth and well-being. You are your greatest asset. Number 7. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you have instead of what you lack. Gratitude opens the door to abundance and attracts more blessings into your life. Number 8. Seek feedback and mentorship. Surround yourself with mentors and advisors who can offer guidance and support. Remember, no one succeeds alone. Number 9. Stay resilient. In the face of setbacks and failures, remain steadfast in your determination and keep moving forward. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Number 10. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Celebrate how far you've come and fuel your motivation for the journey ahead. So, are you ready to break free from the poverty mindset and achieve your big goals? The power lies within you to rewrite your story and create the life of your dreams. Embrace these 10 ways and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. You have the power to break free. It's time to rise above and claim your greatness. Start today and watch your dreams unfold. Remember, you are destined for greatness.